In this video, I will show you the 3 best ways to monetize your Beehiiv newsletter and explain exactly how they each work. So if you go onto Beehiiv and in the left menu here go to Monetize, you can see there are 3 built-in options: paid subscriptions, boosts, and ads. Now the most obvious one is paid subscriptions, which is essentially that you charge a monthly or yearly subscription for people to receive your newsletter. Now many people do this, and this is probably the main way of monetization for most newsletters. For example, you can charge a small fee of $5 per month. If you have 100 people, that's already $500 per month, and if you have thousands of people, then of course it will be a lot more. For this, you will need to upgrade to their skill plan, which, as you can see on their pricing, starts at $39.20 per month, although usually it's $49, but if you do sign up through my link in the description, you can get 20% off for 3 months after a 30-day free trial. So if you want to get these prices here, you can get them through the link down in the description. Now the second way, which is a pretty good way to monetize, and it is unique to Beehiiv, is through boosts. So they have a boosts marketplace, which essentially what you do is you boost another newsletter, so you promote them in your newsletter, and then you will have some sort of an integration on your own newsletter. And if someone signs up through your link to the newsletter you are promoting, you will earn a set amount per subscriber. For example, here the AI report is an AI newsletter, and here you can earn $2.16 per subscriber. Now you can see there's even people paying $4 per subscriber, so this is an advanced sports, nutrition, and fitness tips. Now if your newsletter is something similar to that, maybe not the exact same, maybe you have, for example, a weightlifting newsletter, then you could promote this and say if you're interested in sports nutrition, then you can check out this newsletter. And for every person that then signs up and becomes a subscriber for them, you earn $4, so you can just apply. And again, for this, you are going to have to upgrade to skill. And then the final built-in method in Beehiiv is their ad network. So they have a network of advertisers that wants to advertise on newsletters. And what you can do is go to the ad section here, and all you have to do is check out the available opportunities every once in a while. And when you start building up your subscriber list, you get a few hundred or a few thousand subscribers, you will see opportunities show up right here. Although there is also something else you can do. If you go to partners, you will have the direct sponsorships here, and that allows you to sell flat rate ad placements and packages to sponsors and get paid directly through your storefront. Now you do need to upgrade to the max plan to get this, which is $109 per month, or for the first 3 months 20% off, so $87.20. If you pay yearly, it will be less. And of course, it also depends on the amount of subscribers you have. So that's 3 ways you can use to monetize your newsletter. Now, if you want to maximize your earnings from the boosts and the ads, then you should not make your newsletter a paid subscription, because when you do make it a paid subscription, less people will end up reading it. Although you can determine for yourself if you want to make most of your money from paid subscriptions, which is a very reliable and consistent income stream, or if you want to make most of your money from ads and boosts, which can be less reliable, but with ads and boosts, you can make quite a lot of money if you have a lot of subscribers who actually read the newsletter. Now, personally, I think paid subscriptions is the best option. And even if you do have paid subscriptions, you can still do some boosts for newsletters that you think your audience will actually like, and for ads that you think will also actually benefit your audience. So now you know how to monetize your Beehiiv newsletter. Again, if you want to get a 30-day free trial and 20% off your first 3 months, you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.